Welcome to the Fraudulent Business app. This web application allows a user to check if any businesses have been registered at their home address on the Companies House website without their knowledge. The idea for this app came from an article I read about residents of a street in England realizing that criminals were using their home addresses to register dozens of fake companies for money laundering purposes. This application uses the Companies House API to check where businesses have been registered. The user is currently checking businesses on Warple Road in London. The idea of this app is to be an anti-fraud tool so that users can make sure that there aren't any fake companies using their home addresses for fraudulent purposes. The user can search for an address to check if a business is registered there. They can then use their email address to sign up to receive an alert if a new business uses their home address to register on Companies House. So this user is Sammy, and his address is 14 Warple Road. Sammy is saying that there should be no addresses currently registered. An email will be sent to him if a business registers at his address without his knowledge. I'm looking to make additional features available on this app. Please comment or get in touch if you have ideas for how I could improve the app. The code is available on GitHub.